on both sides of my shield. Got a turner here.
And I start fogging up again.
Well, crack your shield just a little bit at the base.
I did.
Oh, that guy come out here.
Looks like Dumb and Dumber on him.
Yeah. I never thought about the inside of my shield. Well, got caught in a little rainstorm, huh?
Yep. Soaking wet. Once again.
I can blow that out and hopefully it ain't too bad.
What's the phone?
The noise. I got I got raindrops all through the inside of my shield and I can't really see how.
That's how mine is. I think that's what it is. Yep. So I opened it up and looked at the fog and I think it teared it out.
When we left that gas station, I thought, man, nice and sunny, we'll have it made.
Yeah.
We didn't even make it a mile, it started pouring.
It's unpredictable down here.
I see that.
Different habits there.
Hopefully it ain't like this tomorrow. We gotta go to that dinner.
There was no rain in the forecast for tomorrow, but it's been saying that the whole time. 30% chance. Well, at home, 30% chance is nothing. Here, it could be sunny and all of a sudden it just starts raining. Can't even tell when it's supposed to and when it's not. Because the one lady up in Kentucky told me that's just how it is around here.
See, you got that cowling to protect you a little bit. That rain was hitting me, going down my shirt, down my pants.
Well, I'm wet clear past my knees.
Yeah,
Yeah.
wet my crotch all the way down.
Now my butt's wet. You can see it.
We're gonna be turning left up here, and I'm gonna pull off, so don't get too close and ride 50 miles past me.
What are you pulling off for?
Because I got to clean off this windshield. And my ears folded over. Why do you have to be such a grump?
Not a problem. Just wanted at the last minute. I can't stop on it.
Well, I told you I was looking for a spot. I wasn't going to keep driving in that. You have the windshield, the cowling, I don't have nothing. Told you it was beating up my chest and everything else.
What's it called? Cowling.
Whatever you call this stupid thing.
Why are you being such a grump?
Because you're a pain in the butt sometimes.
Well, so you're you, but I don't yell at you.
No, you just make rude comments like you have been.
Turn in here.
No. We
No?
want. No, second red light. Next red light.
Now watch, we'll freaking blow up.
Blow up.
Yeah, it'll get real hot.
Well, then we stop and take the jacket off. You know, we can't stop. You act like you can't stop. Just put a jacket on or...
Hey, we were just here.
Yeah. If I remember right, there's a little parking lot thing down here to the right.
Right.
Right here is a little driveway. I'm pulling off right here. Somebody keeps talking to me. I don't know if it's
It's a GPS. I can hear it.
it's haunted.
I think I'm going to take my coat off.
Okay.